Hi, welcome to another seated flow which you can practice after a long hectic day just to unwind. So let's get started. Sit comfortably in any posture. Your feet can be grounded or folded like I have shown here. And we'll begin with massaging our back of the neck with some gentle forward and backward movements. As we do so, we try to focus on our breath and some very gentle looks to right and left. And the head rolls slow and gentle from right to left, hold to center, and then again exhale from left to right. Once you feel ready, take your tip of your fingers and hold at the back of your neck and join your elbows front and wide it open towards side of your shoulder and make a more space at your heart. This will allow you to release all the stress. And once you are ready, stretch laterally while keeping one hand on top of the ear where other being the support on the ground. Remember to practice from each side. With inhale, hand go up. Keep the grounded hand firm. Try to open up your chest, maintaining the length. And with exhale, come down. Bending forward for releasing all the stress and spending some time over there as long as you want. This flow is pretty quick, so you can do it at any time during your breaks or in the evenings. Spread your feet right in front of your body and make a wide open gaze, chest open, your spine in a line to your natural curve and spend time there. Once you feel comfortable, spread your legs in front of your body and here spend a couple of breaths. If you feel ready, you can go deeper in the fold. If not, stay where you are. Make a feast using your hands and try to rotate from outer side of your feet, making a big huge circle like you're trying to churn out of your body. This will engage your core whereas keeping your legs active. Try to keep your hip bones grounded. If you find it hard, bend your knees, but do not compromise on your hip bones and on your arms. Big circles. And after 3 to 4 rounds, bend your knees and spread your arms like a butterfly is trying to fly, but you're doing this while seated. It's incredible how much energy we can bring onto our body by just opening our heart and being in the moment. To work on more hip mobility, we are going to practice a couple of rounds of cradle the baby pose with different versions. So this is one where we keep the other leg bent, knee bent. It gives a huge support for cradling. always from both legs. Once this feels right, we can stretch our leg while keeping the toe towards the body, feet active, and this time cradling the leg with the best range of motion. And with couple of deep breaths, release the foot with ease. Now from left side, first doing some gentle in and out movements warms up our hips really well. Holding the hands in Namaste Mudra gives a better support as well as a great range of motion to the inner thigh as well as the outer thigh. Release. And to challenge ourselves more, this time we already sit in half Sukhasana and we do the cradling. This will feel really rejuvenating to the hips from the left side. And release. And some extra stretches for the shoulders while interlocking each other and then with the ease folding forward while keeping hands open right in front of the body. An idea is to touch the floor with the forehead, but if this seems really rough for you, use bolster or book support to rest your chin or forehead on the floor. This is a great way of working on your upper shoulder, back of the shoulder, and the full spine. Once you feel ready, sit up straight, and with your ease, we are going to practice few modified tabletops. With inhale, we lift up, and with exhale, go down. Inhale, lift up, and with exhale, go down. And hugging your knees to give a better relaxation for the shoulders. And now we'll step onto butterfly pose, where we practice by holding our both the feet together for a little to extra support for ourselves, and the moment to surrender right in front of the body. Reach wherever you are. It is also okay to sit up straight and be just in the butterfly pose if folding forward feels a little more for you. And spend some time, some deep breaths. And this is the right time to take a wall support to sit up as straight as possible with the spine's neutral curve. And sitting in Sukhasana, half lotus or full lotus is completely your choice. Choose yourself as your day is, but sit comfortably and make some last adjustments. And if sitting in Namaste Mudra makes you more grounded, do that. Close your eyes if that makes you feel more internally aware and breathe some conscious, aware inhalations as well as exhalations. You can keep your arms on top of your thighs, or you can keep your palms right over your chest and belly to feel each inhalations and exhalations. Be there, feel them. And whenever you feel comfortable, come out of it and make yourself comfortable by rubbing your eyes, rubbing your palms, looking in between your palms, making some gentle movements in your eyes, in your body, and very comfortably coming out of the Sukhasana or lotus pose. I'm hoping you had a good practice with me. If you liked anything about the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And until then, keep practicing. And I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.